everyone. Hope you all blessed and happy and healthy. And welcome back to our channel English Up by Lakshmi. Today we are going to discuss about habits. Like how, as usually saying is there, habits can change our life in a positive way. Like how bad habits change, spoil our life, and how good habits change our life. Today we are going to discuss about this topic. And hi, Sayan, how are you?
Yes, ma'am. Hi, I'm doing completely fine. Thank you for asking. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm also doing great, and thank you for asking. And like us again, and today we are going to discuss, this topic, like a habit is a very, it's a compulsory, everyone some like have some habits.
Yes, ma'am.
People are saying like habits can change your life. Like APJ Abdul Kalam said like that, habits can change your life.
Obviously, ma'am.
Yeah, how do you think about that? What habits like change your life? What do you think about
Obviously,
that?
ma'am. Ma'am, you know what? See, habit is a very important thing in our day-to-day life because you know what? I will give you one example. Like you know what? When I was pursuing my BTech, then you know what? At that time, I was having a very much professional life. Like you know, waking up in the morning, then study, then taking your shower, then eat your morning snacks, then go to your college. Means everything was in full professional way. But
Yeah.
as after the completion of my BTech, now I'm a job seeker, and now I'm sitting completely idle in my home. Now my full schedule has become completely zigzag. Like you know what, now there is no such proper time of waking up in the morning, then doing this and that. So you know what, habit is very much important. If you will be able to imbibe a very good habit in your life, then obviously it will change you. And remember, always habit always change. As you know, this always depends on your friend circle also. If you are having a good friend circle in your life, then obviously your habit will change, because you know what, a good friend will always observe that what are the good habits you are having and what are the bad habits you are having. So obviously if they will be able to figure out the good habits, they will accept it for sure. But unfortunately, if they will figure out the bad habit, then they will aware you that this is your bad habit. Try to remove this habit, try to omit this habit from your life. So you know what, friendship is very important in this, in this habit. So that's all.
Exactly. Yeah, so yeah, like some people are saying, like reading books are habits, some type of one type of habit, and some type people are wasting their social media, like playing just games
Yeah,
or some social media, using
yeah.
Facebook and all this Instagram and all these things. These are like all type of habits are, some are good habits and some are bad habits. How do we overcome to that like a bad habit from bad
See,
habits?
yeah, ma'am, what actually we, the human beings, we, we are getting very much attracted towards those bad habits as compared to
Exactly.
as good habits. Like, for example, you know what, if I will say that my habits are, I like to read books, I like to play carom or something like this, fine. So if now, suppose I'm doing a word that I can categorize as my good habit. Now I'm seeing that you know what, one person is doing something wrong, then I will be always having a tendency, because that bad thing attract to just to avoid these stuffs, which would always we have to, we have to, uh, a thought should be there in our mind that I will not go there. Fine, I will not go there, because you know what, if I will do that activity, then you know what, my impression, my overall image will get completely down in front of the person. Fine, so I can't I can't let go of my identity. Fine. So this is the main thing. You know what, whenever you will see any such person doing any such as bad habits or something, just try to come out of that place. If you think that this bad habits is attracting you so much, try to come out from that place and try to indulge yourself in any other activity. Like many such bad habits are there. So just don't stay at that very moment, at that very place. Try to come out from that place and and give your 100% whatever the good works you are having. You know what, it's pretty simple. It all depends on our mindset. If we will be able to set our mind that no, whatever will be the situation is, I will never ever I will step to bad habit, then no one will be able to drag us to that bad habits. That's it.
Exactly. So, and like some people are saying, like drinking coffee every day morning, like one type of habit. If a
Yeah.
habit will become change, like addiction. Do you agree with me? Like, what do you think about
Yes,
that? Some people like to read newspapers morning. If they are not read
yeah.
in the like next day, like in a day, I mean, they will think like, oh God, it's like no something they are missing something. That will become
I
addiction.
totally,
What do you think about that?
yes, ma'am. Yeah, it's totally agreeable. I totally agree because you know what? See, many such habits are there. One is a good habit, one is a bad habit. Fine. Suppose you know what? Waking up early in the morning and reading newspaper or reading any such educational books is very much good habit. Fine. So if we will read the newspaper, then you know what? We will be able to know many such news that
Yeah.
whatever is going on nearby our state or in our country, we will be able to get notified about this. But some bad habits are there, like in the evening time. Fine, in the evening time, you know what, when it's a time for a study purpose, in the evening time, going out with your friends, doing party and all these things, these are bad habits. Fine. So if once we will get indulged in these bad habits, then you know what, it's very very much tough to get rid of from that bad habits. So you know
Yeah.
what, good habits always takes time.
Exactly. Yeah.
Fine,
Sure.
good habits always takes time to convert into an addiction. But any such bad habit, if you will follow bad habits for 1 day or for 2 day, maximum for 3 day, then it will become a habit of yours. For example, suppose you know what, every evening I'm doing study. Fine. Now one day, one of my friend will call me that Shayan, let's do one thing. Let's move on for a hangout. Then I will think, okay, yeah, let's move on. Then in the very first day, I will move on for a hangout. My that time will get destroyed because I will never ever I will be able to get that time, because time and tide wait for none. Fine, I
Yeah.
will never, yeah, I will never ever will be able to get that time. Then in the next day also, at the same time my friend will call me. So this is one addiction. I can't refuse it because why? I'm already, I have indulged myself in this activity. So in the very first step only, suppose you are doing a work, you are studying or any such work that is beneficial for your life. Fine. Whenever you are studying or anything, whenever your friend will call you that, son, come, let's move on for a hangout, this and that. Then you have to refuse that. No, I can't come because I'm doing a work. It's very very much important for me. Then only it is possible for us to stay away from this bad habits. It's pretty simple, but if we will not practice it, it will become completely difficult. That's it.
Exactly. Like one word is there, perfect word, like a limitation. For every
Yeah.
habit, for every addiction, like limitation is there. If you like, we are just stay in our limits, definitely our habit will become like a habit only. Like newspaper, like drinking coffee or drinking cool drinks, whatever it may be. If you are not drinking, like a 1 day coffee, then automatically you will get a headache. People no
Okay.
some people like without staying like reading newspaper they can't fulfill their like a whole day.
My
It's not
father is
complete
there.
complete day.
Yeah, my own father is there. You know what? A time was there when after after waking up in the morning, you know in one hand he will take a cup of tea or coffee, and in one hand he will take the newspaper.
Yeah.
Fine. And he will just see that what's going on nearby our state or nearby our country India, just to gather some knowledge. Many such good habits are there, but you know what, the main thing is that, see, you can turn your good habits also in addiction, you can turn your bad habits also as
in
your
addiction.
addiction. But the basic difference is that good habits will take some time to convert in addiction, but bad habits, this will come under your addiction within a couple of days, like
Yes.
within 1 day or 2 days. But good habits will take couple of time, like for 10 days or 1 month, something like this. So we should keep ourselves completely aware that no, we will not step into bad habits and we will not make it as our habit. We will only stay fixed, rigid, you know, concrete in our good habits, and whatever the good habits we are having, we will follow it, and we will make it like what should I say, like as an addiction.
Yeah,
Like
exactly.
like what, I'm making a video with you, fine. So that was a habit of mine, that in my free schedule I'm making a video with Lakshmi ma'am, fine. And now it has become my addiction, that every day at least one video I will have to upload it
Yeah.
in the YouTube channel. That has become my addiction. So that is the main thing.
Yeah, exactly, exactly. And one thing, whatever you said, like our habits depend upon our time schedule, like our habits will change. If
Obviously.
we go to outside, then automatically, like we will do, like, no, whatever we have, our work, we will do like very fast. Just depend upon our like special like time, we will go outside and we will do our work. If we are staying at home right now, like because of COVID-19, like because of lockdown, whatever it may be, particularly
Yeah.
whenever like coronavirus came, after that our like, schedule completely changed because automatically
Obviously.
our habits will change.
Obviously.
Yeah, depend upon
And
time, our habits will change.
obviously, and one interesting thing is there that I would like to share. You know what? Suppose you are having a very good habit of
Yeah.
anything, fine, and after doing this work, it has become your addiction. Then you know what? People will not praise you to that much. That
Mm.
wow, it's your very good habit. You are doing it absolutely amazing. This and that. They will not praise you, or you will not get applause to that much. But by any chance, if you are having a bad habit of anything, and if your bad habit will become your addiction, then people, obviously people will let you know in every step of your life that yeah, this is your bad habit, try to overcome from this. How you are doing this, you know what, you are not supposed to do this work. This is the basic difference. So you know what, if you will be able to manage your time schedule properly, then it will create a very good impact in your habit as well. That's it.
And one thing you observe that like a habits will change into passion also. For
Obviously.
instance, like from your childhood onwards, like you have that habit of dancing, like singing. Maybe in your future it will become like a passion. Because of using that passion, we will earn money, some money.
Exactly. I
If
totally
this
agree.
habit is a good habit, definitely it will become a passion. Then by using that passion, like we will get like some knowledge from that passion.
Yeah. And
This
you
is
know
the
what? A time was there, like people you used to say me that Shayan, what is your passion, this and that. You know what? And I was trying to figure out that yeah, what is my passion? But now, as if I'm making video with you, and I am making video in both solo and duet, and I'm uploading it in my YouTube channel. So this I can figure out, this I can enlist as a passion, that yeah, now if any person will come and tell me that Shan, what is your passion, then I can let him or her know that yeah, in my fresh schedule, my passion is to be, to make spoken English, or to make a motivational video with my map, and then I upload it in my YouTube channel. That
yeah.
I can consider as my passion.
Yeah, it's great, great. Yeah, like a friend, so you are also all like, no, whatever you have, good habits and bad habits, please share on it like a comment box, and please, like I hope you love this video, and thanks a bunch, Sayan, to like be a part of in my YouTube channel again and again. Yeah, thank you for watching, and no, please like, share, no, comment and do subscribe for getting like giving your motivation, and please don't forget press the no, all bell button for getting my notifications. Yeah, okay. Thank you for watching. Have a great day to all. Bye bye. Yeah, bye. Bye, Sayan. Bye. Bye for now.